What's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? This is the 2017 blizzard of fucking 2017. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Don't mind me. I'm walking. I'm trying to get some food ready. Look at this shit. Starting already. It's gonna pick up. We're gonna get like at least 10 inches or almost a foot. This blizzard is gonna get bad. I'm over here walking and shit like a dickhead. I just gotta get my food and shit. Then I'm going back home. Hope you're having a great day. Holy shit. So it's coming down 2 inches per hour. Think about it. Figure that. It's crazy shit, you know. Roads will get bad, so if I recommend you guys gotta go somewhere, go the fuck now and get it. Whew. It's bad. The snow's coming down so fucking fast. Whew. Jesus Christ. How's my teeth? We're gonna get it. Like I said, expected 6 to 12, they're saying. Now they're changing it to fucking 12 to 16. They don't know what the fuck they wanna. Look at the snow, it's crazy. It's coming down so fast. My camera's getting wet. Whew. We're getting a lot of fucking snow, man. Catch y'all later.